nababasahan.
Nasa.
Balik mo.
Sino to?
Yeah, right here in the ball. Marcus got a steal. Then Marcus passes to Leo. Leo with the ball for two. Marcus got the ball again. Marcus giving no rest pass over. Oh, easy two ball.
Sino naka-2?
Irving giving the ball. Fighting his teammate. 4-3.
Wala. Ito ako, magkakap ako. Marcos nag-3 ito lang ako, pinababa nila ako. 6-7 pa ito sa pintas.
But crossover, Marcus for three. Marcus giving the ball.
4 minutes remaining. Herbie, nakano ako saan? Pinares ko yan, ayun lang sila. Ayun lang, pinagpagawa nila Marcos yung dapat. Pinasa kay Irving. Hello daw, Glency. 4-3. Pinagpag yun lang.
Nice one, Irving.
Irving, katama.
Irving rolling the ball.
Uy, magkasunod daw. Ang dami. Oh,
Defense for Bryce. Leo dribbling the ball. Bryce is dribbling the ball again. Bryce nagmamadali. Leo, pinasok. Yun lang. Marcus rolling the ball. Yun lang. 4-3. Shoot mo.
pinasa kay Marcos.
Marcus again. 4-2.
No. Pinasa kay ano, sino to? Tumatakbo na parang bing. Pinasa kay Bryce. Baka nagulong mo na si Juan. Wala. Marcos, tuloy. Ayun lang, ano ba? Huwag tulungan nyo. Kayo pinasa kay ano? Kaya wala. Pinasa kay yan. Ayan, sino yan? Irving, wow! Easy to play by you.
By Irving. 4-2 pa.
Yes, wala. Running time. Sorry.
Blue team's ball. Marcus fighting his teammate. What a pass.
Teo, binababa. Yun lang, nalusot na nila dalawa.
haba na ng video.
Teo.
Good foul.
Good foul ulit.
40 seconds remaining.
Papansin.
Ano?
30 seconds remaining
Push
now.
lang, boy.
Make shot.
Let's go. What the heck?
You got the ball outside the field.
Ang cute nito ni Mang
15 seconds. Dalawang boy na nakakomplies. Nakuhin mo na. Yun na. Ayun. Yun na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The final score of second quarter.
And second quarter.
6-5.
Pati Celtic.
Happy birthday, Bando!
26-5.
Birthday, Bando! Happy birthday!
Sa akin yung ball si Vince.
Third quarter.